Downfall for Open.AI and between's competitive connotation many GPT model and their lack of knowledge, with taken less computational feb. Like from GPT and SaaS application. Open.AI Chat GPT, from Google Gemini. On Electronic Design Authority, Architecture Leader or Embedded Leader x86 and ARM. In this video we discussed innovation though EDA and GPT are SaaS application conjunction. Afterwards semiconductor maker like TSM, Micron, Intel, Nvidia. How if downfall ripple with x86 and ARM? Maybe they outbound to others architecture algorithm. Year decanned Intel hardly fell to survive comprehension to commuted Nvidia, AMD but market today availability to take what TSM dose without their Broadcom. Today this gross increase or disgrace Q3 gross margin look like given graph, manufacture and ISA Xeon to Grease Herber, comprehension and conduct party Intel got some back in bunch. Market presenter and watch not data castrating weight loss any presenter it's liable year first media clusterer and they need 3 nanometers and 2 nanometers process node, for result of Intel high NA machine, high numerical aperture, and TSM combined made Intel 18A process, on others hand Amazon Graviton, cloud CPUs, Qualcomm, Snapdragon X Elite, X1, Samsung Exynos try to bid a lift up their ARM conclusion. With x86 and Grace Herber Nvidia work though compute digital twine to use Micron HBM3 chip which is radically best practice for them. Nvidia said this is a numerous production facilities, on. API cascading like MIPS is a contamination controller behind EDA maker like Synopsys and Cadence. On ARM architecture, biggest competitor, most said Apple, M1, M4, M5, chips, Qualcomm, Nvidia Grace GPU, Exynos and Amazon Graviton cloud CPUs use ARM architecture to compute and bid their competitor. Whether ARM competes directly with x86, because of low power come better laptop. High efficiency gain better servers enable customizable ISA like companies can design their own cores and enhance their support by Linux, Windows, on ARM, macOS, iOS, Android. Afterwards, some of company footprint is mess with RISC-V. It's a open source CPU architecture. It's like ARM and x86 conjunction where no any license fee ISSVE. Huge, regional support from China, India, Europe. This a stand war between USAA side, supported company believed that they has been a perfect IoT edge device AI accelerator, and microcomputer. This system of efficiency work based on CI5, Alibaba T-Head, Qualcomm, Google, as Android support future. Now what do you think and what Electronic Design Authority and SaaS application creator do with when they has a mixing up way? Where were x86 and ARM conjunction? How they emphasize more further to ASML. Both architecture on ARM and x86. 2015, Intel dominated laptop plus servers, which is 90% plus gross increase, ARM mainly for smartphone. Apple still using Intel x86. In 2018 Apple starts designing M1 secretly. RISC-V gains global traction deep learning accelerator appear. In 2020 Apple M1 released massive shift ARM performance jump to PC level. Qualcomm begins laptop push. 2021 to 2023 boom Nvidia become most valuable chip company. Cloud companies release custom CPUs. RISC-V becomes a major global initiative. In 2024 to 2026 on-prem Microsoft, Windows on ARM stable. Qualcomm Snapdragon X Elite beats Intel in efficiency. Apple Silicon dominate premium laptop. Intel struggle with foundry delays. RISC-V shows early desktop prototype. Accelerator reduce Xeon server demand. On understanding chip war between USA and China or x86 and RISC-V it's always crucial for data center from sector to sector GPT model to GPT model. EDA maker vs regional EDA maker the global leader is cloud provider like Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud Provider, GCP, AWS SageMaker. Now question for you, can Meta MTI AI accelerator reduce social bedbug from various region? Can Meta MTIA it's like a Unicron eye? If you like this video,